welcome to today's Theme Park Adventures, and today we are at something new. We're going to try something new, and this is Funny World in Germany, and I am here for my birthday cross-country trip to do Europa Park. And since Funny World is about 10 minutes down the road if you drive, this is a great park, I've heard, and yeah, many YouTubers have been here before. It looks quite funny, as in the name, and you can self-operate the rides, and yeah, I don't think many people will be thinking that, but yeah, let's see how we self-operate rides and see how funny we can get this vlog. So let's go. So you know how I said Funny World has some unique rides, and this may not be one of the uniquest here, but it's probably the most funny. Here's why. Almost got wet there myself. And yeah, it literally takes you up a backwards lift hill, drops you, and then launches you off like the tiniest hump I've ever seen. And yeah, we are in Germany. We're going to Europa Park tomorrow, see Voltron. This is probably better than Voltron, you've got to agree. Come on, look. With how funny this is, it's got to be better than Voltron. And that's just for wonders of Funny World, isn't it? Everything's funny. So let's go on this amazing beast and see what it's like. So these are self-operated rides, and yeah, as you can see, you literally self-operate them. There's a massive control panel here. It's not massive, it only has one button. But yeah, you do self-operate them.
Close those air gates.
Yeah.
You got the rope?
Yep.
Cool, let's press the button.
Bye. Sean and Charlotte from Theme Park Worldwide nailed how funny this was, and yeah, it's Funny World, so let's see what it looks like on ride. Let's go. Just like a little thing at the end which throws us off. Oh my god. That was a lot of airtime, and that was very funny. I have come off this ride many times, and as you can see, it's very fun but very scary at the same time. You get loads of airtime, even if you're holding on, but if you have your hands up, yeah, I don't think we should talk about how much airtime you get, because like hands up, there's like literally nothing holding you in but a bar, and that's it. So if you have your hands up, you're just like flying, you go flying and then get wet at the end. It can be very refreshing on hot days and also very scary, so it's a good fright and a way to cool down. So yeah, I definitely recommend this because this is the funny of Funny World. Here is another self-operating ride, flying Sombrero, and yeah, I can take along with you for a POV, so let's do it. We're now on the flying Sombrero, and yeah, I do know what this ride does, but it's hard to explain what it does. It kind of goes up and down, and you control it using this. So let's do this. Start it up.
Ready, ride operator?
You have the ride operator here. Woo! Alright, we have the best person to control it, my dad. And yeah, sadly there wasn't any footage of it, but the red arrows at Blackpool, he literally nailed it and got it. It's just been like a million times. So we know it's going to be some of this. And even though it isn't. Oh, no, don't go over. Go over. Oh no.
Yeah, we're going to go over.
Yeah!
Whoa! God, it's a bit vicious, isn't it? Back the other way.
Go away! Over the top. Yeah!
It's got to go the other way. All good?
Yep.
Right.
Right, it's forward to go forward. Backwards to go back.
Right. You can hit the start button, Davis. You ready?
Yep. So I've just come off of flying Sombrero about 5 times, and yeah, the reason I went on it about 5 times is because it's very good and you can control it just to like really spin up. So like when you want it to keep spinning, you can do that, and if you want it to go a bit slow at the top, you can twist it the other way, but don't hold it for long and it might even stall. Thankfully we didn't get it to stall, but yeah, it's a great ride and can't wait to see more investments that Funny World could do like this in the future. Oh my god, that surprised me. I don't know if I can count as it's a cred, but it does have track, so I might as well. But yeah, this is actually quite fun. Love this. So we are now going on the Mexican wacky worm, and it's this thing. So basically you control how it spins, and if you're an idiot like me, you can do it like that. And yeah, you can just let it spin to your heart's content, or maybe you could spin it once, leave it for a bit and then spin it again, have breaks like that. But yeah, either way you do it, it's still a great ride, so let's get on. Okay, so we are now inside Mexican wacky worm. We have full control of which way we spin, how much we spin, so let's do this. Just saying, I'm controlling this, not the person who's in the other seat, who doesn't really like spinning, so don't know why I came on. That's you.
Oh my god!
Spin it forward, spin it forward, spin it forward.
Oh, that's well uncomfortable. Oh my god, David! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh no! 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 Oh my god! Oh you idiot! Oh my god!
Told you I was an idiot.
Oh!
Alright, we're doing that again.
Oh, I'm not doing that again.
Here we go again.
No way. Alright, let's lower that restraint for you. Lock you in. Beautiful. You all secure?
Yes.
Right. Get the ride started. You ready?
Bye guys. This is a very unique type of ride, like a lot of rides at Funny World, like the U-Coaster, and also the big thing that lifts you up backwards and then just launches you off into water. And yeah, this is another one of those things which are just really fun because you can do whatever you want with it. And yes, maybe sometimes you can get yourself sick, but in other cases it can be a very good ride. So we are about to go on the Mexican Eagle, and this actually counts as a cred, which is quite surprising. And what it does, it takes you up a lift hill, swings backwards and forwards, and then the ride ends. This is a U-coaster, that is the manufacturer, and yeah, can't wait to get on. So let's do this.
Right, restraint down then, sir. All good? Restraint locked?
Yes.
Awesome. Close these gates.
Thank you, operator.
Oh, you're welcome. Gates closed. Do you want to hit your start button?
Yeah. What's gonna happen? Basically a bigger version of what we did earlier at the start. Oh my god. Woo! This was nice.
How was your ride on the Flying Eagle, David?
Good. Ken's gonna plug in. Yeah.
Oh, you going to operate the ride, David?
Yes, we are going to operate.
Right, you need to shut the gates, David.
Okay.
Pull there. There we go.
Yeah, gates. Yep.
All good.
So we have just come off the Mexican Eagle, and this is a classic ride here, and it can be a little jolty when you get down to the bottom, like when it comes down here in a sec. But yeah, it can be a little jolty, but it is a classic ride and I still love it. But now we are going to go on a new 2022 ride. But my review of the Mexican Eagle is a great classic cred, and model for you is actually quite a good model because it's just unique, and yeah, there's two of these in park and I'd say this is the best one just because of the eagle on it. So yeah, Mexican Eagle, good. We have ended our day at Funny World, or maybe not. But yeah, we haven't even completed Funny World, and it is actually a theme park. It has themed areas, which I was actually quite surprised about. But yeah, it has some amazing, unique rides, such as the U-coaster, like the Eagle one, or even the Big Mountain Super Splash, which was also quite scary but also very exciting and fun at the same time. And I just really liked Funny World. It was a very nice surprise, and yeah, I feel like it was just very nice to come here. It's very nice. And just mentioning that there is a splash park and also a restaurant that we haven't been to, not yet at least, because I'm going to do both of those. But yeah, everything such as the Eagle coaster to what I am in right now, which is spinning me, if you didn't know. And yeah, there's just some amazing things to do here. Also, it's literally right next to Europa Park, about 10 minutes down the road. So if you're going to Europa Park, I definitely recommend coming here because it's very funny, as the name implies, Funny World Germany. But yeah, love Funny World Germany, and yeah, they've done an amazing job with your Funny World. Thank you for watching Dave's Theme Park Adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.